Okay, right. As I said, right now I'm at the freedom tree. That's the freedom tree, yeah. And here, that's one of our fruit. Right now, I'm eating it, but our ancestors was eating it before. But here is the tree. It was here for over 400 years, during the slavery time. And today, I don't know the name of the fruit itself, but I'm eating it right, as well as you can see. Yeah. So, you can
Ngello manika count on ngello let.
Ika kuma ni ngelo la.
Ngello.
So nyino during ancestral times slave oli kamulu mutanu mamal tuwabu ka mutanu ka nyunu la domono.
Ka do mala because abe lori njanne.
Abo lori njanne.
Hanintel dindima fon. Mo jama ba
wole ñu londe.
Yeah, native of the town Janjambure.
They know this.
Yeah, or Joy Town. Wala makatin ko. Na hani manke makatin ko tinina ta nebe kuluka makati jam. E kay nje makati dindingol buli fanan ka like. Immediately near taste like you like it. It's very sweet.
Alors mo manja ya ndo ba jaari ngol domo xam.
Yeah.
Bo nga mo manja ni ko domo.
Yeah.
Akela ko koko.
Yeah, akonoto. Yalon dingolam nyin.
Yeah.
So boti kanyin tele ne nyin te.
Mumba kono fanan ka domo la.
Wolon koymati, wolon kokoti.
Wow.
Yeah, but right now because a jatale. So membe konoto wo kokoni ufana jatale sai.
Ufana jatale.
Yeah.
So nika domo anala driver no takela the same taste.
No. Yeah, near ala driver ala wait one, let's say new one. Nim fatu nim fimma min babala tay. Eko bondile. So new bonda ay tu nyin sifa da manna.
Okay.
Domoro drone.
Yeah.
So ika ko ni pareta wala. Ika fongota wala tirango. Wala ya sepu. Ya feteng. Then ika na fetin ta rege ko koy maji. Ko koy ma fanan diata de.
Adiata.
Baake fong.
Wow. This is the fruit of our ancestors. Yin mo filtale. A euro fella. Here is the tree. Ajiba ketala ko why. And still there are fruits up there, man. Yeah. Over 400 years, man. A euro standing here over 400 years. Stay tuned with Lucky Loves the Gambia, and that's the freedom tree. So subscribe to wait for the powerful contents with sad narrative, and a lot of things have been happened to our ancestors. So stay tuned and focus. We are in the island of Kunta, the island of Jacktown, Janjambure, Makati. Subscribe for more.